Hello everyone. Now we have the unit 4, the laws of exponent. In this, exponent means power, 5 to the power 3. In this number, power is equals to 3 and the base is 5. This is called exponent. Power 5 to the power 3, where 3 is equal to exponent and 5 is your base. 125 equals to 5 to the power 3 means that 5 cube is the exponential form of the number 125. 5 to the power 3 is called exponential form. 5 cube means 3 factors of 5, or you can write it 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5 मीन्स जितनी पावर होती है उतनी बार आपको उस नंबर को मल्टीप्लाई करना होता है. नेक्स्ट वी हैव द लॉज ऑफ एक्सपोनेंट. The first is exponential form. The exponent of a power indicates how many times the base multiplying itself. एक्सपोनेंशियल फॉर्म में आपको जो एक्सपोनेंट होता है वो ये बताता है कि बेस कितनी बार मल्टीप्लाई होएगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल x टू द पावर n इज इक्वल्स टू x मल्टीप्लाई बाई x अप टू n टाइम्स हम x को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. हेयर n फैक्टर ऑफ x. Example again 5 cube equals to 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5. Next we have multiplying power. If you are multiplying power with the same base, keep the base and add the exponents. अगर आपके पास दो रैशनल नंबर्स हैं या दो नंबर्स हैं जो कि बेस सेम है और वो मल्टीप्लाई हो रहे हैं तो पावर्स विल बी एडेड. लेट अस टेक वन एग्जाम्पल. 2s the power 6 multiplied by 2s the power 3. Here the base are same, 2 and 2. Now the sign of operation is multiplying, so we will add the powers. So 2s the power 6 plus 3 is equals to 2s the power 9 and we get 512. 2s the power 9 is 512. Next we have dividing powers. When dividing powers with the same base, keep the base and subtract the exponents. X to the power m divided by x to the power n, or you can write with the symbol. So base will be the same and powers will be subtracted. So let us take one example. 2s the power 6 upon 2s the power 2 is equals to 2s the power 6 minus 2 and we get 2s the power 4 equals to 16. So when you divide powers you subtract the exponent. Next we have some examples are there. 3 to the power 2 multiplied by 3 to the power 2. Now look, solution of these question. 3 to the power 2 multiplied by 3 to the power 2. Here the base are same, 3 and 3, and multiplying sign are here. So 3 to the power 2 plus 2. दोनों के बेस सेम है तो बेस को हमने लिख दिया और पावर्स को हमने ऐड कर दिया. तो 2 plus 2 equals to 4. So 3s the power 4 is equals to 81. Next is 5 square multiplied by 5 to the power 4. Again base are same, product sign, so powers will be added and we get 5 to the power 6. This is exponential form. A to the power 5 multiply a square, we get again base same and powers will be added. Here you can see 2s square multiply 4s7. So 2 and 4 we can multiply 2 4s are 8 and base s and s is same, so we put s and powers will be added. Some examples and their solution. Okay, Next we have power of a number. If you are raising a power to an exponent, you multiply the exponent. अगर किसी भी नंबर की पावर के ऊपर पावर है तो हमें क्या करना है, उन दोनों पावर्स की मल्टीप्लाई कर देनी है, पावर ऑफ अ पावर. सो लुक, x to the power m की होल पावर n is equals to x to the power m multiply by n. So let us take one example. 5 to the power 3 की whole power 2. So power here, power of power, so 3 multiplied by 2, 3 to is equals to 6. Now product law of exponent. If the product of the bases is powered by the same exponent, then the result is multiplication of individual factor of the product, each powered by the given number. इस वाले लॉ में थोड़ा सा चेंज है, इसमें आपके बेस डिफरेंट है बट पावर सेम है, तो आप बेसिस को इंडिविजुअली मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे और पावर को सिंगल कर देंगे. लुक, x मल्टीप्लाई बाय y टू द पावर n इज इक्वल्स टू x टू द पावर n मल्टीप्लाई बाय y टू द पावर n. One example, ab square is equals to a square multiplied by b square, and a square multiplied by b square equals to a multiplied by b का whole square. Next we have quotient law of exponent. If the quotient of the bases is powered by the same exponent, then the result is both numerator and denominator, and each powered by the given exponent. x to the power x by y की whole power n is equals to x to the power n divided by y to the power n, and vice versa. So take one example. 2 upon 3 की whole power 4 is equals to 2 by to the power 4 by 3 to the power 4. We get 16 by 81. Some examples are there. You can do these problems yourself. Examples with solution. 3 to the power 2 की whole power 5 is equals to power की multiply power से कर दी, 2 5s are 10. Again a to the power 3 की whole power 4, 3 4s are 12. Similarly, some questions are there. Look, now next we have negative law of exponent. If the base is powered by the negative exponent, then the base become reciprocal with the positive exponent. x to the power minus 5 is equals to 1 upon x to the power 5. अगर किसी भी बेस की नेगेटिव पावर है तो आप उसका रेसिप्रोकल कर देंगे एंड द पावर विल बी पॉजिटिव. लेट अस टेक वन एग्जांपल. 5 to the power minus 3 is equals to 1 upon 5 to the power 3. The answer is 1 upon 125. सिमिलरली इसमें आपका डिनोमिनेटर की पावर माइनस 2 है तो उसको हमने रेसिप्रोकल करा, इट विल बी पॉजिटिव. 3 स्क्वायर इक्वल्स टू 9. Now next we have zero law of exponent. It is also very important. Any base powered by 0 exponent equal 1. किसी भी नंबर की अगर पावर किसी भी बेस की पावर 0 है तो we get 1. So x to the power 0 is equals to 1. Examples: 5 to the power 0 is equals to 1. a to the power is equals to 1, and 5a to the power 0 is also equal to